Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Rishabh Singh from BCA PPU second year batch 2, and I am here to explain the topic tuple in Python. Before starting, thank you to Sona ma'am to giving me opportunity. So let's start. What will we cover today? The tuple definition, syntax, single element tuples, and accessing element through index or built-in function. So first, what is the definition of tuple? A tuple is a collection of items that are in order or immutable. Immutable means value cannot change after they created. And we can create tuples using parentheses. And the syntax is tuple name equal to parentheses item 1, item 2, and so on. We can also create single element tuple using parenthesis followed by comma. Its syntax is tuple name equal to item 1 or it must be followed by a comma. We can accessing tuple using index number. We can take a variable name of city as a tuple and we can take example of a city name and we can also access through an index number that is 0, 1, 2, 3. We move from left to right, then the positive index will be taken, and when we move from right to left, the negative index will be taken. So I have taken an example, print city index number 2, then it will print the city name Motihari. And if you print city index -3, then it will print Patna. And there are some built-in function used for in tuple that are length. For printing the length, we are using len function, and for printing the minimum number among the value, we can use min function, or we can for finding maximum number, you can use max function. So we are taking an example, and we are using. So we have to print the length of num. So print len function using and the name of variable num, then it will print the number of length in the variable. So the number of length is 7, then it will print the 7. When we move to the min function, then the syntax is print min and the variable name. Then it will print the minimum number among these variable. The minimum number is 1, then the output is 1. When we move to the maximum number, the syntax is print max and the variable name num, and the maximum number, the highest number is 11, so it will print the number 11. And some other built-in function are that is sort and so on, which is used in tuples. Thank you from my side. Have a great day.